Hi everyone. I'm Bubbles from Susan's family. Today I'd like to introduce you to a new version, the Wealth God Sachet Hanging Ornament. We'll be showing you how to crochet Little Tycoon and Little Rich Lady. This hanging ornament is made up of a toy and a gold ingot. The making method for the gold ingot is identical to the method used for the Rolling Wealth version in the same series. The toy is made in the same way as the Little Fortune Treasure and Little Fortune Star versions. For more details, please refer to the corresponding video numbers in the pattern chart. After both the toy and the gold ingot are done, secure them together. Attach the arms to the upper part of the ingot. Attach the legs to the lower part. Below, I'll demonstrate the method for securing them. Cut about 20 centimeters of the same color thread as the main part of the toy. First, secure it inside the toy. Then attach it to the gold ingot. When securing, make sure the toy is hugging the ingot. Once completed, tie off and weave in the ends. Next, sew the arms to the ingot as well. Up to this point, the tutorial for the Little Tycoon and Little Rich Lady is completed. If you have any unclear points during crocheting process, you can contact our customer service, Susan's family, supporting your handworking experience, sharing the joy of life. Thank you all for watching. See you next time.